Students, today I am going to start fourth chapter of partnership, that is admission of a partner. We will start from its meaning. What is the meaning of admission of a partner? In simple words, when a new partner enters in partnership firm, it is called admission of a partner. According to the provisions of Partnership Act 1932, unless it is provided in the partnership deed, a new partner can be admitted only when the existing partners agree for it. It means the consent of all the existing partners must be there to admit a new partner, and this is called the unanimous agreement when all the partners agree for it. Then why to admit a new partner? When a firm needs additional capital and managerial help, then with the agreement of all the partners, a new partner can be admitted in the firm. Then some rights are given to a new partner. What are these rights? First right is to share the assets of the firm, and the second right to share the profits of the firm. And for sharing these benefits, he has to bring capital, whether in cash or in kind, and he also has to contribute premium for goodwill for sharing super profits. Then what accounting adjustments are required on the admission of a new partner? The same adjustments are there which we have discussed in the previous chapter. First adjustment is determination of sacrificing and new profit sharing ratio. Second is accounting treatment of goodwill. Third, accounting treatment of reserves, accumulated profits and losses. Fourth, revaluation of assets and liabilities. And the fifth, last is adjustment of capital. So these are the adjustments on the admission of a partner. So first adjustments, new profit sharing ratio. When new partner is admitted, he acquires his share in profits from the old partners, and the old partner sacrifices a share of profit in favor of the new partner. Hence, there is a need to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio among all the partners. Then how a new partner can acquire his share from the old partners? First, in their old profit sharing ratio. Second, in sacrificing ratio as decided among themselves or particular ratio. And the third, he can acquire in particular fraction from the old partners. So let us solve some numericals. In the first illustration, Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Sumit as a partner for 1/5 share in future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Anil, Vishal and Sumit are three partners, and old ratio is given 3:2, and Sumit's share is 1/5. What will be their new profit sharing ratio? Here let total share is equal to 1. Sumit's share is given 1/5. So remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5 share. Now this 4/5 can be divided between Anil and Vishal in the old ratio. So Anil's new share is equal to 4/5 multiplied by 3/5, 12/25. Then next is Vishal's new share can be calculated. 4/5 remaining share multiplied by his old ratio. So it is 8/25, and Sumit's share is given 1/5. To get the same denominator, it can be multiplied with 5. So 5/25. So these are the shares, new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. 12/25, 8/25 and 5/25, which can be written as 12:8:5. So this is the answer. In the second question, Akshay and Bharti are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharti. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharti and Dinesh. So we can write that in second question number 2, Akshay and Bharti are two partners and their old ratio is given 3:2, and Dinesh is a new partner. Dinesh share is given 1/5, which he gets half from A and half from B. So it can be multiplied with 1/2. It is 1/10 he will get from A and 1/10 he will get from B, which is equal to 1/5. So here A's new share can be calculated. A's new share will be old share minus sacrifice. A's old share is 3/5 and his sacrifice is 1/10. So here the answer is LCM 10, 5/10, and B's new share, B's old share is 2/5 and his sacrifice is also same, 1/10. So here the answer is LCM 10. Answer new share is 3/10. And Dinesh share is given 1/5. To have the same denominator, it can be multiplied with 2. So 2/10. And the new ratio we have calculated is, it is 5:3:2. 5:3:2. So this is the new ratio. In third illustration, Anshu and Nitu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which required 2/10 from Anshu and 1/10 from Nitu. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Anshu, Nitu and Jyoti. Anshu, Nitu and Jyoti. Jyoti is the new partner. Old ratio is given of Anshu and Nitu 3:2 and Jyoti's share is given 3/10, which required 2/10 from Anshu and 1/10 from Nitu. So here Anshu's new share can be calculated. Old share minus his sacrifice in favor of Jyoti. His old share is 3/5 and sacrifice is given 2/10. So here the answer is 4/10. Next is Nitu's new share. Nitu's old share is 2/5 and his sacrifice is given 1/10. So his new share can be calculated 3/10. And Jyoti's new share is given 3/10. So here the ratio is 4:3:3. New profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3.